Howdy do, boys and girls. Welcome to Kilts Culture. I'm Rocky. This is Erik. Today, special treat. We have, aside from the fact... Oh, I'm going to break the thing. That's special treat is Rocky picking stuff off the floor. So, special treat.
We're going to reshoot that. Wrap it up.
Yep. We have a gift from Robert Worthington. This is Stranahan's Blue Peak single malt whiskey. This is done in Colorado, so it's not Irish at all. It's American Scottish whiskey stuff. I don't know. Anyway, Colorado single malt whiskey. So
made with pure mountain snowfall runoff water.
Mountain Dew.
Yep.
So I've been curious about this one for a while. I don't know. It looks pretty good sitting in the bottle. Ooh, that's a big bottle.
You can have that one.
All right. I'll get that one to Ian. There you go.
And Ian is on the show today, as you may have just sussed out.
Hello.
And there's much Ian's.
Yes, and
Indeed.
there was much rejoicing over however many Ians there were.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Ian, if you would, come collect your Stranahan's Blue Peak. And while you are back there, we will tell everyone what you have on today.
Embarrassingly, I'm wearing the same tartan I was wearing last time I was on the show. I've got on the old Scotland Tweed.
Mwah, mwah,
Looks
mwah.
very pretty. Very pretty. What do you have on today, Erik?
This is the Owen Glyndwr tartan.
Very nice. Very nice.
Great Welsh hero, honoring my wife's ancestry.
Very nice.
This one.
Today, I have a kilt that I have not fit in for a while that I decided to wear today. So I'm wearing the MacDonald Clanranald Muted. 16-ounce House of Edgar. Love this one. Love it. Love it.
And tapeworm has been doing a wonder.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Indeed. Yes.
Really, very effective.
Yes. Okay. Ian's just going to go ahead and break the set back there. It's all good. So, how do we feel about Stranahan's Blue Peak?
What do you mean, how do we feel? I haven't tasted it yet.
Smell it. How do you feel about the odors?
This is a very strong nose.
Yeah.
But honestly, it's been a while since we've done a single malt, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like this quite a bit.
It smells great.
The smell.
Yeah.
You guys want some notes on this?
It's very fruity.
Do we have smelly notes?
We do.
Odor notes?
Before we even get to that, I'll say that it is an American single malt distilled at high altitude, aged in new American oak barrels, and Solera finished. A maturation process typically used in wine, resulting in a rich and mellow whiskey.
Who knew
What's a
that
Solera?
you could finish whiskey in the back of a Toyota?
Apparently some guy in
Very
Colorado.
uncomfortable place.
That's a Volkswagen, my friend. I thought Solera was just a name that Toyota made up. Oh.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, who knows?
So the nose is dried apricot, nutmeg, cinnamon toast, and hints of leather and light tobacco.
Cinnamon toast? I get the tobacco and I get the apricot.
I'm getting fruity. I don't know that I would
I'm getting banana.
pull out apricot specifically.
I'm getting banana.
Yeah.
But not like real banana, like artificial banana.
Like runts.
Like peanuts. Like circus peanuts.
Yeah.
I'm definitely getting the leather and light tobacco. Like I kind of want this scent as a cologne. I think this would be a really nice cologne.
Okay, Larry, how many have you had tonight?
It's just my cologne, hon, I swear.
Just put this in a little spritzer, and I'll just spray it on my neck a little bit.
I think it's leading the witness, but yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting more like a dried apple and the banana for me. But
I'm getting lightheaded by
but I
sniffing
like
so
it.
much.
It is a lovely nose. It is really is the nicest smelling booze I've had in a while.
I would agree.
It's
Strong
not like
start.
overpowering, yeah.
Okay.
All right. Sip, sip. Sweet.
Sweet and a bit burning.
A little peppery, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm getting peppery like top back of the mouth a little bit.
So for the palate, we're looking at creamy butterscotch and brown sugar,
Yep.
baked apples with notes of cayenne and toasted oak.
Cayenne, okay, a little.
I guess
That's the
that's that
little spicy,
It's
little
just
bit.
a way of saying spicy.
I know.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
definitely
spicier
getting
than
the
average.
butterscotchy kind of, yeah, a little bit.
Feel it going down.
And creamy, yeah, and that's the oak is the feeling going down for me.
Really?
Yeah,
It's hot.
it's not bad. It's not bad.
And the finish is rich and mellow. Earthy malt gently fades into lingering spices.
I would say they have, for what you just read, they have the right amount of notes.
Yes.
I can taste almost everything you just described. Like, yep, it all makes sense. But it's not like they're gilding the lily. And it's like, it's vanilla and this and this and this and that. Like it's the right amount of things, and I get it.
I'm just impressed that I can't pick up on all those notes, but I get the vibe.
Yeah.
And it's just accurate.
I get
for a change. It's actually accurate.
Yeah.
So truth in advertising for once.
Now, what was the point of the high altitude? Do any of us know? Like,
Dude.
I guess the boiling point would be different. I wonder how that affects the chemistry. I don't know how it would matter though.
Maybe. I don't know. If you know out there in the interweb land, let us know in the comments. What does the high altitude have to do with the distilling of whiskey?
Marketing.
Possibly nothing.
Marketing. Yeah,
it's not the altitude. It's how high the people at the factory are.
It's true. It is Colorado.
Yeah.
Yes.
Every keg's sealed at exactly 420, dude.
I just got back from the shore, and I went to. I've never gone to Atlantic City as a beach town before. But speaking of marijuana, if I never smell cigarette and marijuana smoke on a beach again, it'll be too soon. Like the number of people smoking weed and not a great beach experience. If you don't smoke weed, if you do, then you have people to bum it off of. I don't know. Do you bum weed like you bum cigarettes? I don't know. If it's legal?
I think it's a bit more personal.
Yeah, fair. Okay. All right. All right. So how do we feel about it? Ian, how does this make you feel?
I like this quite a bit. This is nice. I like the sweetness. I like that it's balanced with those peppery, the spicy, those hot alcoholic notes. This is real nice. I like this a lot.
Mm-hmm.
It's something different than I've normally had.
Yeah.
I'd agree with the balance. I could probably do without the pepperiness.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only thing I'm going to critique it a little bit on the. I'd like to either back off or eliminate that, but everything else I'm down with.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
It's not so sweet that it feels like it's it needs to be a liqueur.
Yeah. It's not cloying.
Yeah.
I think that's the word you want.
Sure. I don't know what that means, but that's fine.
It means it's so sweet you don't have to call it a liqueur.
Fair. Nice. Okay. Any other thoughts on this before we give it a rating?
Not really. It's tiny little bit of peatiness on the back on my throat now.
It's the legs are. I can't tell if it's like extra special or small.
They're short, aren't they?
No, it's like coating the inside of the glass because it's not like just running down immediately. It's actually like coating the inside. When I twist it around, it looks like it's like textured glass almost.
Yep.
Interesting. I don't know what that means. Must be from the altitude. I have no idea. Okay. All right, Ian, let's give it a rating. And I haven't even opened it up with water. This is just, flat. Okay. Rating 1 to 10. What do you get?
Yeah, I wish I had like a list of what I'd rated things in the past because this is going to be up there. I don't know if it's better than the Oban 18 that we did, but this might be number 2. I'm going to call this a solid 8 out of 10.
8.0.
Wow.
Novice type store, but that's
Holy
fine.
cow.
Yeah, this is interesting without being like you said. It's not like just another one of insert type here.
Yeah,
that we've done before.
Yeah.
It's a nice.
So I'm enjoying this a lot.
Blend of elements, you could say.
Yeah.
Definitely reminds me of a Highland.
Okay.
Yeah, or a Speyside, kind of like lightish. Yeah, but it's got more complexity than a Speyside. Okay. All right. What's your rating on it?
I'll go 7.4.
7.4.
Yeah, I do
Strong
like this.
Scores today.
I do like this. Yeah.
I would go 7.6. It doesn't cross the threshold into I'm going to go out and buy it, but I would absolutely drink this. If someone was like, "Hey, here's 4 whiskeys," I'd be like, "Oh yeah, I'll take that one." Yeah, very nice. Good score. Yeah, good stuff.
Thank you.
Stranahan's Blue Peak. Robert Worthington. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, nice. We don't do a lot of American whiskeys specifically in the show. We do bourbons on occasion when people get us.
Yeah, well, there are more American bourbon makers than single malt makers. So, but
yeah, that's good stuff.
Yeah, this is delightful.
Yeah,
We may have lost our connection to this one if it's not available outside the state, because Robert Worthington has fled Colorado.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
The police were after
They
him.
finally caught up with him, huh?
Very good. Thank you for watching the video. Remember, if you want to up your Highlandware game, we have an entire store over at usakilts.com. We would be honored if you would support us over there.